Have you ever pondered the intricate dance of electrons that powers our modern world? It's a marvel, isn't it? This invisible force, so small yet mighty, coursing through our lives, igniting our bulbs, charging our devices, bringing light to our nights. It's an essential element of our existence, interwoven into the very fabric of our daily routines. But, like any potent force, it demands vigilance and respect. Respect. Mishandling this powerful entity could lead to catastrophic consequences, endangering both lives and property. Thus, safety becomes paramount. It isn't just a practice, it's a responsibility, a necessity, a prerequisite. Safety is a crucial practice that can. Here's the thing about electricity. It's always seeking the path of least resistance to the ground. That's why you'll often hear the advice to stay away from water when dealing with electricity. Water is a fantastic conductor, and electricity will quickly travel through it to reach the ground. But it doesn't stop at water, oh no. Many common materials in a home, metal, humans, even some types of wood, can conduct electricity. That's why it's vital to ensure that all electrical devices and outlets are in good working order, and that any necessary repairs are made immediately. So, what can you do to keep your home safe? Well, first and foremost, always hire a licensed electrician for any electrical work. They have the training and experience to do the job safely and correctly. Next, make sure all electrical outlets are properly grounded to prevent electrical shocks. And appliances? They're a big part of our everyday life, but they can be dangerous if not used correctly. Always unplug appliances when they're not in use, and never use appliances that have frayed or damaged cords. But perhaps one of the most overlooked aspects of electrical safety is the humble circuit breaker. This little device is your home's first line of defense against electrical fires. It will automatically shut off the electricity to a circuit if it detects an overload or short circuit. Make it a habit to check your circuit breaker regularly to ensure it's working properly. And finally, educate everyone in your household about the dangers of electricity. Make sure they know not to stick anything into an electrical outlet and to never touch electrical appliances with wet hands. So, to summarize, electrical safety is all about respect and awareness. Respect electricity by hiring licensed professionals for electrical work, ensuring all outlets are grounded, and using appliances safely. Stay aware by regularly checking your circuit breaker and educating your household about the dangers of electricity. Remember, electricity isn't something to fear, it's something to understand and respect, because with knowledge and caution, we can harness its power safely and effectively, illuminating our lives without sparking disaster.